Amit here and welcome back to another video. We have a new package here and this is from Assembly. Now this is a very interesting company which comes with some interesting luggage, and I'll be taking a look at their tech kit, which is something where you can use this luggage for carrying a lot of tech. If you are someone who carries a laptop and a lot of gear with you, then this package might be useful to you. So first thing first, let's open up the box and take a look at the package contents. Now first thing, we have a very nice pouch. I would say this is nice because you can just conceal this all your stuff within this one, and this acts as a rain cover. And within this we have the actual bag. Now this is a very beautifully colored design, and we have a name tag here. We could always have your name mentioned here. Now this is a standard one, and here we have two things actually. So let me just first show you this one and take a look at the package contents. On the back we have a zipper here. As you can notice, the space here quite spacious, and apart from that there is this section which directly works, wherein you can place this bag over your luggage trolley and easily walk around, so you don't have to carry your backpack or your laptop bag anyway. And when you open this specific section, as you can take a look here, we have a lot of sections within this specific area. And first thing first, you can always keep your keys here, or have your pens and everything else in these little compartments. Also we have a zipped compartment here, so you can actually take a look at what's being kept there. So let's say if you would like to keep this earphones here, you can always notice that they are here. And following that, once we open this main area, as you take a look here, we have space for another small section. And apart from that, we also have the shoulder strap, which is optional. If you wish, you can carry that. If you don't need it, you can just skip it. And here we have a cable. Now what is this cable for? Let us show it to you. So this is a smart integration where you can notice that you can just connect your any external cable. Let's say you would like to charge your iPhone or any Android phone, you can just plug the cable here from the outside itself, while your power bank stays inside in this compartment. So you don't have to put your power bank every single time. It's kept once and it's ready to go, and you can just carry this while directly plugging in your device, whatever you need to charge from this specific area. Now let me just put this shoulder strap side and take a look at this little utility. Now this is actually quite useful if you are someone who is traveling and needs something. So if you can take a look, quite beautifully designed product this is. And what you can do here is you can organize all your stuff within this little utility. Now once you open this up, let me remove these things and show it to you. So let's say you have a lot of cables, you would like to place each of them in one specific area. You can do that. Me as a YouTuber or a vlogger, I would actually want to keep my SD cards in this specific area, have my pens and important keys here. Also you can just strap this up and open this up and keep everything else in this specific area. So this is useful. So let's say if you have a spare phone, like you carry a backup phone which you don't need daily, you can always secure it in this specific area and then zip this up whenever you're done. So and then you can just place it within your backpack or any travel bag and you're good to go. Overall, in terms of the quality also, this looks quite good. I mean the finish is also quite good. Very minimal branding, and then it doesn't have a separate icon or something which looks little bad. This one has a very simple branding which looks good. On the bottom we have a real leather finish. It's giving you a very premium look, and this is how the bag looks like. You can just carry it this specific way, and you have a lot of compartments, that's for sure. So a lot of spacious is this specific bag. Also brings a lot of variety for people who are specifically carrying a lot of technology with them. And that was a complete unboxing of this luggage tech kit from the Assembly. You can check out the link in description if you'd like to buy one of these. I just got these for unboxing and taking a look at this product, and maybe I'll be carrying it for my next holiday, where I would be doing a complete different vlog series, which you can check it out on our vlogging channel. So this was unboxing. If you think the video is useful to you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.